are here! Welcome back, or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start the review of the one more SonoFlow. This one's here, guys. These bad boys have been around for a year or so, but they have one amazing price right now. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you all about them, specs, price, how they sound inside, outside, sound quality, you name it. And in the end, I'm going to tell you if they're worth the price. With this said, let's start the review. Looking at the price of the SonoFlow, this one's here, guys. So I have the grey ones. They have a price tag of £89.99 in UK. It's Christmas, so the price is all over the place. So please check the price before you buy them. At the moment, they have the price of £89.99 in UK. For the US, Amazon has a deal at the moment, so they cost $63.99 at the moment. Like I said, Christmas, so please check them up before you buy them. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description, so please check them up. Use them if you can. It helps the channel, and there's no harm for you. Looking at the unboxing, you have the manuals, a good quality carrier box, a 3.5mm cable in case you don't want to use them wireless, a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, and the headphones. Have been around for 1 year, but still look really good. They have a simple design with a great quality hinges and a matte finish, great for not leaving fingerprint. The cups are made from a super soft memory foam, and I love the bright red fabric lining on the inside. The headphones are incredibly comfortable to wear for long periods of time. They don't feel cheap at all, although they are lightweight, weighing only 250 grams. The minimal look gives them a more luxurious feel that they should at this price tag. On the right cup, you have the ANC button, more on that later, the volume buttons, and the 3.5mm jack. On the left cup, you have the on and off button, and the USB-C port for charging. Looking at the specs next. So, you have Bluetooth 5.0, high-res audio and LDAC audio codec, ANC and transparency mode, 40mm DLC dynamic drivers, 12 EQ presets. You can use them wireless or wired with the 3.5mm sound cable provided. They have a foldable design with a carrier case, dual device connection, 70 hours of battery life with fast charging, and support for the One More app. A lot of features for the price that they have at the moment. Looking at the battery life, they have a huge 70 hours of battery life with ANC off. And there's still amazing 50 hours with ANC on. And when you finally run out of battery, 5 minutes of charge will give you 4.5 hours of playback time, with the One More taking 1.5 hours to fully charge. The One More SonoFlow app isn't bad, but I would say it's bland in terms of design and features. However, everything you need is there. You can switch the ANC on and off, or you can select transparency mode. You can also use the equalizer with the 12 EQ presets. You can turn the multi-point connection on and off, upgrade your headphones. A very simple app that works well. ANC. The ANC on One More SonoFlow is really impressive for the price. They are not the best ANC headphones you can buy, but for the price point, you will get a great ANC, and I'm sure you will be impressed like I was. During my testing, most ambient sounds and lots of standard low frequencies noises were drowned out completely. Some high-pitched noises will still get through. Loud conversations will still be audible, but there is a huge difference in all these sounds with ANC on compared when it's off. I would say they are great for commuting. Before I talk about the sound quality on a One More SonoFlow, let's have a look how the 5 mics with ENC for call sound, with the sound mic test indoors and outdoors.
Right guys, so this is the sound inside of my house. So I'm inside of my studio, so no sounds around, just 2 fans. So let me know how the microphone sounds on a quiet ambient. We're gonna go outside and do the same outside. Right guys, so this is the sound outside. So it's a little bit windy, it's too late now, it's getting darker. Sorry about if the image is not the best, but yes, wanting to make videos. So yeah, it's very windy, so I'm not sure how the microphone sounds outside. So let's go inside and carry on the review.
Sound quality. The One More SonoFlow has a powerful and detailed bass, with crisp highs, and this is thanks to the dual 40mm drivers. And if you use the presets on the app, you will be able to unlock the true performance of the SonoFlow headphones. The One More SonoFlow won't compete with headphones 3 or 4 times the price, but that's not what most people need. For the price point, these sound amazing. The SonoFlow headphones are excellent value for money. In many respects, they feel more high-end than they should, thanks for their matte finish, sturdy case, and minimal design. They check all the boxes, and they are a very comfortable pair of headphones. And to finish, let's not forget the excellent battery life on the One More SonoFlow. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the One More SonoFlow. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it all around your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so use them, it will help the channel, and there's no harm for you. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.